Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, how to make PowerPoint slide design animated. Like and subscribe. Okay, let's start a video. First one, go to Design tab. Go to Color. You choose Slipstream color. Okay, now you can create Copy 5 slide. And you can change a color. Okay, now you can create oval shape. And you can take white color and no outline. Now you can copy oval shape. Okay, now you can take 5 icons. Okay, now select 5 icons. Hold Control key, change color, and now connected hyperlink. And now you can make group oval shape. And now you can create rectangle. You can use white color and no outline. Select icons, move, and under. Rectangle sent to back. Now select all. Go to slide 3. Oval shape icons, select all and sent to back. And now rectangle move to center. Oval shape change color. And now create triangle. Oval shape sent to front. Click rectangle and triangle, go to shape format. And now click Subtract. Rectangle, right-click and edit point. And now you can edit oval shape. And now change oval shape color. Rectangle, move to under. And now you can make icon no fill. Now select all and copy. Go to slide 1. And now oval shape, move under. Select icon. Go to graphics format and change color. And now move rectangle. Select icon, you can make no fill. And now simply do it this way. And now go to Transition. You can click Morph Transition. 1.75 seconds and apply to all. Okay, let's see how it goes now. Once I've created the designs I like, I'll insert each one into a separate slide. Okay, now let's take a look at the slide design we've been talking about. I hope you guys this video is useful for you. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Okay? See you next video. Bye.